You won't believe the clean, powerful, and eco-aware bikes Leonardo DiCaprio would ride. First, the Ducati Desert X, rugged, futuristic, and built for wild off-grid adventures worth around $18,000. Next, the Kawasaki Z9 ORS Retro Cool with modern muscle and effortless smoothness, priced near $12,000. Then comes the Honda Africa Twin, adventure royalty with long-distance dominance, valued at about $15,500. After that, the Triumph Thruxton RS, sharp, classy, and dripping with Carrera Soar attitude, costing roughly $16,800. And finally, the BMW K1600B, a luxury performance cruiser with insane comfort and presence, closing the lineup at around $25,000.